Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix ongoing device setup on iPhone battery. If you are using any iPhone or iPad, you're facing this type error in your iPhone battery settings, which is ongoing device setup. So let's see how can you fix this issue. So you just have to simply go back from here, and the very first thing, just open your settings. Go to general, go to software update, and just try to update your software. You have to make sure that you haven't any pending software update. If you find, just try to update your app. So after updating your software, or issue might have to be fixed. If it's still not fixed your issue, so you can try to make a force restart with your iPhone. Now to do this, just quickly press on the volume up and volume down, then press and hold the power button and wait for your phone until its screen goes really black. And here, once you get the black screen, you just have to wait for Apple logo. And once you get the Apple logo, just release the button and wait for your phone until it restarts. After restarting, just unlock your phone. And here, after retry to check if your issue has been fixed or not. So your issue might have been fixed. If it's still not fixed your issues, it's just go to your settings app, go to general, go to transfer reset iPhone, select reset, then select reset, then tap on reset all settings, enter your iPhone passcode, and then tap on reset all settings. So it will completely reset all over your iPhone setting. It will not delete any kind of your data, so you can easily try this. And after that, your issue will be fixed if it's just your iPhone settings issue. If it's still not fixed your issue, so I recommend you have to try to change your iPhone battery because sometimes it might be that your iPhone haven't any original iPhone battery or there's any issue with your iPhone battery, so that you're facing on this type of issue. Or you can also try to contact with Apple support team to get official help. Now to do this, just simply open your Apple support app. You can easily install this app from your app store or you can use Apple support web. Select iPhone from here, select more option, select battery, and here just wait for the loading and then tap on check now. It will check your battery health and performance, so it will tell you on the screen whether your battery health is normal or not. Then tap on continue option here, then tap on get more help, then tap on colors. After that, you'll find a phone number. Whenever you want to talk, you have to simply dial this phone number and you will be connected with Apple Support team member. You can discuss about your issue and get official help from there. So after that, your issue will be fixed. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.